The idea of Lokpal is taken from Scandinavian countries, which article of the constitution had the unique distinction of having been adopted by the Constituent Assembly with cries of Mahatma Gandhi ki jai. 70. Right to education became a fundamental right on April 1, 2010. Of the following ex-presidents who had served as Indian ambassador to the erstwhile Soviet Union, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Of the following prime ministers who did not face the Union Parliament even once, Charan Singh. A constitution amendment bill, after being passed by the Rajya Sabha, is pending before a select committee of the Lok Sabha. Meanwhile, the parliament is dissolved. What happens to the bill? The bill lapses on the dissolution of parliament. According to the table of precedence published by the Union government, the Attorney General of India occupies the 11th place. The strength of the Council of Ministers in the state is determined by the state chief minister. A governor is liable to be transferred from one state to another. True. Who among the following dignitaries cannot be impeached? Vice President. Which among the following does not fall within the jurisdiction of the Indian Parliament? Foreign pilgrimage. A person who otherwise qualifies for appointment as a Supreme Court judge must have been an advocate of a High Court for not less than 10 years. A foreigner residing in India does not have the right to vote at the time of elections to the Lok Sabha. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the centre and the state fails under its original jurisdiction. The salary and prerequisites enjoyed by the President of India are determined by the Parliament. Habeas corpus is a writ which facilitates a prisoner to appear in a court for speedy trial or release on bail. The partition of British India into Pakistan and India was incorporated in the Indian Independence Act of 1947. Which among the following became the 25th state of India? That is Goa. Who among the following is elected by an electoral college comprising the elected members of both the houses of parliament and the legislative assemblies of the state? President. The Vice President of India is elected by an electoral college comprising the members of both houses of parliament. Can there be a common high court for two or more states? Yes. Who among the following is not appointed by the President of India? Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Who among the following has been empowered by the Constitution of India to seek the opinion of the Supreme Court on questions of law or fact of public importance? President of India. Which one of the following is not a feature of the Indian Constitution? Presidential government. Which one of the following can be abolished by an act of parliament but not dissolved? Legislative councils.